Hi, I'm Dr. Vanessa Katz. I'm a licensed clinical psychologist in Westwood. Before I was practicing here, I was actually a licensed psychologist in Mexico City. I practiced there before moving to LA to pursue my doctorate. My dissertation was really interesting. It was comparing guilt and shame in Western cultures and Eastern cultures. Western cultures are much more individualistic, and therefore they're much more guilt-based. Shame is something that is intrinsic. You can't change it. It's something about yourself that you can't change and you need to hide. Whereas in Eastern cultures, they're much more collectivistic. They're more shame-based, but you can remedy it. You have much more of an opportunity to kind of like get rid of your shame. The way that I practice is, on one side, I am supportive and I'm very present in the room, and on the other side I am challenging. I think people come into therapy one is for somebody to listen to them, but also for somebody to actually talk to them, to tell them what people maybe in the outside world will not. And I say it in a way in which people can actually hear them. I'm not there to, make them suffer, on the contrary, but so that they can get more in touch with themselves and make the changes that they're looking to make. I see diverse clients and I feel comfortable working with diverse clients a lot based on the fact that I come from a multicultural background. I've lived in 3 countries. I've lived in Mexico, I lived in Israel, and I've lived in the US. And that has given me an awareness of how culture plays into our personalities. It plays into the way we relate to others, and I take that into account when I'm working with someone. So aside, of course, from seeing English speakers, I also work with Spanish-speaking clients. Hablo perfectamente español y me siento sumamente cómoda trabajando con pacientes en español. I like working with people who have moved from one city to another. It doesn't have to be from a different country, or who has changed jobs. Any type of transition in life, I think, causes an impact. It's a change. And that is one of my specialties because of both my background, but also what I have studied and the type of people that I work with.